Okay, my cable provider is broadcasting a emergency alert system according to... Oh. So I basically turn on this TV for... Oh! What the hell was this? Emergency alert system channel. That's glitched. What the hell? I have never seen that glitch up in my entire life. What the hell? Dude, what is that? What is this? What is this? Okay, this is gonna be on meme channel. Hang on. Yet again. Oops. Let's go to...
Yes, okay, then
channel 5, why the hell not? So yeah, this is gonna be, I'm gonna post it on my meme channel. Because right now on my main channel, I'm currently working on a video, while later tonight, this is gonna be uploaded on my main channel. That channel's doing good right there, by the way, so yeah.